Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys on how to install OBS Studio from source. For this example, we're going to be using a virtual machine Ubuntu here that I have already set up. This is a fresh install, it has nothing. So let's go ahead and get started. First up, I'm going to actually connect to this virtual machine via SSH to make the process easier. So I'm just going to show here the IP. This is the IP that I need to log in. So I'm just going to go ahead and just log in right now. Enter that, put in the password. I'm already logged in. I'm going to be downloading OBS Studio to my home directory of the user. As you can see, I am logged in as root. So I'm just gonna go to my home directory for the user that I have created for this demonstration. Okay, I am now logged in. I'm just gonna put this to the other side. As you can see here, I have some notes to just do it straight to the point to just install this OBS Studio. It's just 6 steps. It's not really that much, but it'll get the job done. First up, we're just going to be downloading the required packages for this. You want to copy all these packages. These are all needed to just install everything from source. We're going to be installing from source all the features available. I'm just gonna go ahead and just apply that, and that will be downloading. That will take a little bit. I'll be right back. Okay, and there we have it. All packages have been downloaded. Now we're going to do step 2. We're going to download OBS, and we're also going to be downloading the browser extension, and we're also going to be downloading the QR code generator. The only difference from this build is that we're not going to be enabling the NVIDIA drivers for it. That's the only thing that we're not going to be enabled, but everything else will be enabled, and this will also be a portable edition. So let's go ahead and download the required files. We just copy the entire command, copy that, and just paste that in here. Now that will be cloning. That will take a little bit. So it's gonna fast forward. Okay, there we have it. It downloaded OBS Studio, the browser extension, and the QR code generator. And now we're going to be creating our CMake user preset to start the build. So you just want to create a new file. Just open up your text editor. I'm going to be using Nano. So I'm gonna copy this, paste that in here. And now we're going to be copying this entire line. And we're just going to copy that and paste that in here. You'll notice that the only thing that you need to change on your part is the home directory of where you have the extension folder. In my case, I have it in the home, my username, which is my name. So in here, you just need to change this to your username. So don't forget to do that part. But everything else here, we don't need to change anything. But you can also notice that we don't have anything enabled for NVIDIA. This is set as false. So we can just exit this out and just save that. Now that that part is done, now we're going to be actually building OBS Studio. Now it's going to copy this build and just paste that in there and let that run. Okay guys, and there we have it. It's installed. Just so you know, all of these steps I'll be leaving them in the description below in my GitHub. So now that it's installed, we can go back here. Let's just log in again, and we're still not going to be seeing it because we need to do the next step. It's still not here available, which is to create the desktop app, because right now OBS is installed and we installed it in the OPT directory. So now we just need to create the desktop directory. Now you just want to copy this entire line, just copy that and just paste that in there. Now that the desktop has been created, now all that we need to do basically is just to update it. We can see it's already there, but now we actually need to update it. And there we go, it was created successfully. And now all that we need to do basically is just put this in full screen, go here, and now we can actually open our OBS. Since this is the first time, it will ask you for the setup wizard. I'm just gonna put it for this demonstration for recording. Next, next. Okay, and there we have it. It showed the final results that we can use it for high quality 1080, 720, x264, and we're just going to apply those settings. And that's basically, now you have it installed. Now OBS here is installed. We go here into sources. We have the browser and more additional settings. So we can just go ahead and do a screen capture here. Just click OK or give that a name. It's going to pop up, share your screen. Yep, share it. And now we can see we have our screen there. Click OK, that's set up. If we want to say, for example, connect our YouTube or Twitch channel, we go to settings. We already added the extensions for the stream, and we can see here YouTube, Facebook, Restream, Twitter, and the rest that has been added as well. The only thing that has not been added is the video encoder for NVIDIA. That's the only thing that has been disabled, but everything else has been already installed. We just apply that and we're good to go. And that's basically it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it really straightforward and easy to do. If you have any issues or problems, just leave a comment below. And as always, guys, thank you all for watching. I hope to see you in the next one, guys. Bye, guys. Have a great day.